I work with a primary care doctor. I'm an NP. Yay, love you. This doctor wants me to start an aesthetics practice in her primary care office. Do you recommend I start a PLLC in my name? We're going to have Lou interviewing a lawyer for that. But do you have an opinion about that, Lou?
So, my dear, are you going to be an employee of his, or is this like a contracting deal? What's the business arrangement? Or you have a business within theirs, or?
We're working on the arrangement right now, but my thought is I would like to have my own business under my name and maybe profit share.
If that's the case, then yeah, you absolutely should open up your own business, whether it's an S corporation or LLC, based on your personal tax scenario. I don't know if you're married or single. Check with your local accountant based on your tax scenario. There may be a different answer on what type of entity you use, LLC or S corp and things like that. But yeah, definitely 100%. If it's going to be a business within a business, if you're just going to be an employee that has like a salary or hourly rate with the commission, then I don't think it's necessary. So it depends on the structure that you evolve to. I love it when people cut deals with primary care or any doc's office, because if they're seeing 10 people a day or 50 people a day, that's traffic that you can talk to. And guess how much it costs you to talk to those people? Zero. And
Yes.
That's the best market in the world, right? That's the best in the world.
One thing I would say is always keep it simple. So for instance, Lou said something incredibly valuable. I mean, you could always be an employee, or you're just an individual working for them 1099. You don't necessarily need a corporate structure if there's no equity involved or something like that. If there's any liabilities involved, so if any of the medical liabilities are going to fall on your shoulders, you want an LLC. If you don't have any medical liabilities, you can just be 1099. It doesn't matter. Just think in the simplest terms and just know it's not forever. So the definition of your relationship is what it is at the beginning. As things evolve, you can always change corporate structures as elements, as context around it changes. So just don't think too far ahead. Just look at things as how they are right now.